Hi, my name is Sandy Carter. I'm the author of The New Language of Marketing 2.0 and currently the Vice President of SOAN Webster Marketing at IBM. What we're going to do is today we're going to use that ANGELS framework that's in the book, and we're going to focus in on the L, leads and revenue, which is really where the bottom line comes into play. So we've gone through adding social media to your traditional plan, making it a Marketing 2.0 plan. Now, how do you really show the money? How do you really measure this? Well, there's a couple things that I'll walk you through that I think are important in measurement. The first is that you not just measure the start and the end, that you look at the end process pieces. And that is, how do you take a lead that came in either from a virtual event, maybe something that came in from Twitter, or even a live person event. How do you make sure that sales and marketing are teaming together in the middle piece to progress that lead forward? My proposal in the book is around a set of metrics called in-process metrics so that you can see how leads are progressing and how they're going in between the stages. Now, the second thing in leads and revenue is a whole discussion about a dashboard. And in that discussion of a dashboard, we talk about new technologies and tools so that you can create a dashboard that is automated, that would have maybe a campaign effectiveness session, a response management session, that would allow you, based on your results, to automatically generate an email or e-nurturing that would go out to your customers online. So understanding your dashboard, understanding that it's more than just measuring return on investment, but that it's synced into your business strategy and your business goals, that allowing you to take action is really important. In fact, in the book, there is a model that is in there that shows you the different stages and steps that you would go through to develop that dashboard. And then the final thing are, what are the new metrics that you want to look at now, given that you've inserted social media into your plans? In the end, it's all about the marketing mix. So there are a couple of theories in there about how to tweak your marketing mix with some of these new metrics. What do I mean by that? Well, you might have in your marketing mix a set of live events. Maybe you also have search in there. How do you optimize for search? Maybe you have virtual events and advertising. How do you optimize your investment in marketing so that you get the most leads and the most win revenue? For instance, you could optimize for the most leads, maybe using a lot of social media, but maybe the amount of win would not come through. So you need to make sure you're looking at that marketing mix. The second thing is you need to look at some of these new metrics online, such as involvement, i.e. how many people come to your website, their interaction, their intimacy with you, how many ideas that they share, how they share their ideas, and the influence those people have. Are you getting the top social media mavens to come to your site, and are they participating with you? So there's many ways to now measure that engagement along with your overall marketing mix. Some suggestions that I would have is looking at frequency of conversation, looking at how many of those people you convert to a relationship. A great example we give in the book is someone who started out with an "I hate this particular product" website and eventually got turned around into being a reference for this particular company. Look at relationships to purchase and also conversations online that mention your brand. These are just some of them given our limited time. So make sure, ROI can be tricky, make sure that you're measuring the value of those new social relationships, looking at innovation, looking at your awareness, your extended reach, your word of mouth channel, that direct customer output that you get, as well as communities and loyalties. A dashboard can help you track that. Make sure that you're looking at that involvement, interaction, intimacy, and influence as metrics for adding in social media. So on the leads and revenue, the major points to remember are, first, select the right set of metrics. The book gives you some suggestions, but again, it's going to be based on your business strategy. 2, build a marketing dashboard, not just an ROI calculation, but a dashboard that's going to allow you to drive business. 3, design your dashboard to be relevant to your business and automate it. Make sure you're using the technology on your dashboard as well. And 4th, and this is a big, big trick, track what is valuable, not just what you can measure. This is Sandy Carter, author of The New Language of Marketing 2.0.